guys, welcome to Algebra Maths. Okay, today in Algebra Maths we'll be solving a particular question. That question has to do with angle of elevation and depression. Okay, angle of elevation and depression is an application of trigonometry. We have two basic applications of trigonometry. The first one is we have the angle of elevation and depression, then we have bearing. So those are applications of trigonometry. Okay, now there's a question we want to solve under that angle of elevation and depression. Look at the question. The foot of a ladder is 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. The foot of a ladder is 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. Okay, this is my ground. Okay, this is my pole. This is the electric pole. Okay, now a ladder is leaning. A ladder is resting. Okay, this is a ladder resting. Okay, now this is a ladder. It's very important you draw, because if you didn't draw and this question is a theory question, okay, they will mark you 0. They will mark you 0. Diagram is very important in this question. Likewise, when you are solving questions involving bearing, diagram is very, very important. Okay, now this is the ladder. Okay, now here's the question. It says the foot of a ladder, this is the ladder, the foot, okay, is 6 meters. Is 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. This is the base of an electric pole. This is the foot of the ladder. From here to here is 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay, now the top of the ladder rests against the pole at a point 8 meters above the ground. Okay, 8 meters above the ground. 8 meters above the ground. Okay, that is the height of the electric pole. Now here's the question: how long is the ladder? How long is the ladder from here to here? Is S. How long is the ladder? How are we going to solve this? Very simple. If you look at the diagram very well, you'll notice that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, now since it's a right angle triangle, we will apply Pythagoras theory. Pythagoras theory was discovered by a mathematician called Pythagoras. And what is Pythagoras theory? Pythagoras theory is this: the square of the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to the square of the summation of the two other sides. That's Pythagoras theory. The square of the longest side, and the longest side is the hypotenuse, which is this side, is equal to the square of the summation of the two other sides. Take note, you apply Pythagoras theory when you are solving a question involving a right angle triangle. If it's not a right angle triangle, you cannot apply Pythagoras theory. In other words, Pythagoras theory is strictly for right angle triangle. Alright, so let's apply it here now. So we have the square of the longest side, which is S square, equals to the square of this side plus the square of this side. Okay, if I write this side first before this side, it's the same thing. But what is important is this: I must write this first. That's the square of the longest side. If you do this, you're not looking for this side. Maybe you're looking for this side, or you're looking for this side. You must write this side first. That's the rule. That's the theory. Okay, so I have S square equals to 6 square is 6 times 6 plus 8 square is 8 times 8. So I have S square. This will give me 36 plus this will give me 64. So I have S square equals to, I will add this to, I will have 100. Now to get S, I will take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Okay, so I have S square the root, then 100 the root. So this will cancel this. I will have S equals to 10. Okay, don't forget, put your unit meter, 10 meter. That's my answer. So meaning the length of the ladder is 10 meters. Thank you.